There are those times where you feel just so stressed out. Day by day. How do you overcome that? Today we are talking about overcoming that constant stress, whether from work or just at home, even from your neighbors.
I just pray every day. I don't do what they say. I know life is hard and I will never.
Good day, beautiful people. You are watching Building Calm with Boo Boo. This is a channel where you learn about how to do life. Number 1, overthinking. Now you need to stop overanalyzing things in your head. This can be so dangerous for your health. It always brings out the worst situations. Get to the habit of being able to realize your thoughts and see them as they are, just thoughts. Whether they are positive or negative, thoughts are just thoughts. Identify these when they come in your head, exactly at that time. And don't take them as reality to a point where you get emotional. Now that is a problem. When you entertain especially negative thoughts, they thrive and it becomes a cycle. They keep coming and you feed them over and over. And the stress you end up enduring just because of overthinking. Number 2, letting go of control. I am one of those people who likes things to go in a specific way. And I like myself or other people in my life to do specific things at a specific time. I get so stressed if they don't go as I have planned. Seriously, it frustrates me so much. What I forget, members, is that I am not in control of anything or anyone. The only person that I am in control of in this earth is just myself. Letting go of control is something that you can learn, especially in a case where you see that you have done enough. If you want to live a stress-free life, learn to let go. Learn to let things be. There is a big lesson in allowing things to happen as they should. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't care about things in your life. What I'm saying is, when you've done all you could, learn to let go. As much as you care so much, sit down, let go. Put your focus on other things. Let me know down below by commenting on what you struggle to let go of, or just letting it be. I'd like us to share these things, members. That causes us so much stress. Number 3, being vulnerable. Being vulnerable is not anyone's favorite, cause it kinda exposes you bare for people to be able to get to access all of you. Not everyone likes that, but it is necessary. We came to this earth for interaction with others and to be of service. Now, when we are all alone just with ourselves and our thoughts, it gets to us. We were not supposed to be islands. By being vulnerable, it actually helps you to be able to connect with others. It makes you human, which you came in this earth to be. Now humans, they do connect and interact with each other. If you are so afraid of being vulnerable to the people you are close with, then really you are afraid of one powerful human connecting tool. Now, when you are all closed up and you don't normally get vulnerable with people around you, that blocks so many emotions. And because as human beings, we are emotional beings, then you will experience so much stress. So to be less stressed, learn to be vulnerable to the people you trust. Also, you should try to learn thoroughly the people that you can trust and not just be vulnerable to anyone, cause that can hurt you so much. Wrong people can take advantage of you and end up hurting you so much that you end up holding back all over again. Number 4, gratitude. There's this thing that we forget, yet it is so powerful. It is the key to all the things that you might want in your life. Just being grateful. Be grateful no matter how bad things may be in your life. Because some people might ask themselves, what am I talking about? How can one be grateful while stressed and everything is going bad in life? Okay, I agree with you. But there are those simplest things that surely you should be grateful for. Even those things that cannot be bought. Like waking up on the brightest day ever and seeing the sun rising, or looking at how amazing nature can be. Surely there are those things that you appreciate in nature, or even in you, or even the sound of the birds. There must be. Come on. Okay, if you live inside the city, then don't you appreciate the amazing architecture around you? All those man-made creations that are so beautiful, or even just being able to see, or to feel, or even walk. I am sure you do. Because as children we had so much gratitude for so many things. Even the simplest brick, you would find a brick and be so grateful and pretend to be a car, driving it all around. Okay, maybe for us who grew up in villages. What I mean is those were simplest things ever. And by that, there was so much gratitude. And there was absolutely no stress whatsoever. Once you are grateful and you feel grateful deep down in your heart, there is no way you can be stressed at the same time. No. Gratitude eliminates stress totally. Please click on the like button below if you find this valuable. Number 5, action. If you feel stressed and you see that you are stressed, then it's high time you take action. Really, look into the above mentioned ways and do something about this. Sitting and continuing to be stressed won't really help. Look for things that you can do to manage stress, because it really leads to so many illnesses. You might also check out into this video where I also put in detail ways you can deal with anxiety. I'll leave the link in the description below. It is so important to take action, members, especially with matters concerning your life or your health. Learn to recognize your priorities. Focus on improving yourself. If you find this information helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment with what you think. That is all for this video, members. Let's sure to meet on the next upcoming one. Remember to be good to yourselves and to people around you. It all makes this world that we live in much better.